quiet room where candles glow, a teacher speaks in a voice so low. His students gather with open eyes, ready to see where true wisdom lies. He lives the truth from the deepest well, a secret light he's learned to tell. Foundations forming in every mind, shaping a world more true, more kind. He shares the wisdom that lights the way, guiding hearts toward a brighter day. Inner knowledge rising clear, giving strength to all who hear from ancient truths. A new world grows, carried forward by the soul that knows. Not from books or written lines, but quiet sparks the heart refines. He speaks of paths that lie within, where every ending can begin. Students feel a shifting ground as deeper meaning gathers around. A sacred message, soft yet strong, teaching them where they belong. He shares the wisdom that lights the way, guiding hearts toward a brighter day. Inner knowledge rising clear, giving strength to all who hear from ancient truths. A new world grows, carried forward by the soul that knows.